So you clicked on this video because you want to know how to make your mic's volume actually able to hear from your friends in your party chat. So basically, the only way you found this video is from clicking the link in the description of the video you just watched, how to use any condenser mic. So basically, make sure you are speaking through the right end of the mic. There's been so many people that do this wrong. So there's people that speak through the top. You're not meant to speak through this top, depending on the mic you have. You need to check where you bought the mic from. If it's online, it should be very helpful. Of what pattern your mic picks up audio from. Mine, it's only the front, so it's a cheap mic. Picks up only from the direction that you can see the writing is in. So basically, you're just going to need to speak into the right bit, speak into where the pattern says. And if it is like one that's out the side, it should be on the side that the writing on the mic is. So there you go. And if you're still speaking into this front bit and it's all correct and you know that you're speaking into the right damn bit, you need to basically, you need to get a phantom power supply. Drop it up on the screen right now. So there you go, there's a phantom power supply. I believe there's a link to one in the description of... I'll put a link to one in the description of this video. So yeah, it's like cheap but not cheap, and you just need one of them. You need to plug the ends. It should come with some spare cables to do the connection. I'm not sure how to set it up because I don't have one, because this works perfectly with my PC and in my Xbox controller. So yeah, you just need to buy a phantom power supply, and that is how you're gonna make your mic actually work like it is meant to. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are now struggling to set up your mic, there's going to be a link in the description to how to set up the mic properly with the splitter and all the cables that it's super easy. Just click on the link down below. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment if this actually worked. It should work 100%, I'm guaranteeing you. If it doesn't work, I have no idea. Maybe your mic is broken and you actually need to send it back. I hope you enjoyed. See you guys in the next video. If you live in Britain, stay home. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and yeah, peace.